Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I am the president and the founder of Rahm Thomas University. I'm also a scientist, an inventor, a patent holder, and a mother and artist. I do all these things because I love the world. My main focus in life are my family and my friends and making better solutions for them as well as for the rest of the world. I want to discuss today one of the patents that we will be teaching at Rahm Thomas University, as well as one of the patents that I'm utilizing in some of the formulas and products that I've made, whether it was at the Root Brands, or Ella Pure, or Bill & Coo, or Environ, or Mercy Dupree Clothinaires. I try to incorporate the different trade secrets and patents into what I do. Today I want to talk about something that's very close to me and very sensitive for me. My family has had Alzheimer's. We've had dementia in our family and heart disease and a lot of different issues. This patent that I wrote while I was at Harvard and then I submitted about a year ago is called Biochemical Engineering and Synthetic Life. It focuses on issues surrounding Alzheimer's disease, dementia, Parkinson's, and ALS. It discusses the vitamins and the minerals and the way you can approach these diseases with using vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K, as well as peptides and amino acids and other things to really help the body be supported instead of the body deteriorating from these neurocognitive diseases. I've also done a lot of case studies at the Root Brands and the International Science Nutrition Society on some of these items. I want to read to you a little bit about this patent that we will be discussing at Rahm Thomas University and with the International Science Nutrition Society. So this patent particularly looks at sexual and hormone function, as well as other psychological health and motor skills and performances. We use different nutraceutical products in this particular patent and case studies, as well as research, to show how they will help with not only Alzheimer's, autism, and certain things like dementia, ADHD, but all neurocognitive diseases. Because our approach is to diagnose, to image, to assess, to use various stem cells, vitamins, and minerals to integrate into a traditional approach so you can have better solutions for these issues. I don't know anyone that hasn't been touched by some kind of cognitive issue, whether it's a child with autism or a relative with ADHD or a father with Alzheimer or dementia. We've all been touched in some way. In these patents, I used a lot of drug transparency and nutraceutical supplement transparency, and I used certain formulations to really support the body so that you really can progress in a positive way instead of a negative way. The goal is to make each person as healthy as they can be. Incorporating some of these solutions into the products that I've made at the Root Brands and other companies that I've worked with has been important to me. It's important that you source products by looking at what the parent plants have, as well as the plants and seeds of where you get the vitamins and minerals. It's important that you look at the environment and detoxing environment. But I think what this really boils down to is we've got to help each other have better lives. This can be found on my website at drchristinarahm.com or at Rahm Thomas University or at the International Science Nutrition Society. I look forward to working with all of you to provide better solutions in the future.